Hello, my name is Amy. I'm gonna show you a quick overview of SAP Cloud for Customer Solution. I start with Home page, where I have the essence of my data on hand. Taking coffee in the morning, I check my home dashboard for last news from my most important customers or about particular markets. After that, I check my appointments and tasks to align my agenda. It is synchronized with Outlook, by the way. Let's say I would like to organize myself for today. I access my tasks from dashboard. I check the list of tasks assigned to me, and group the most urgent together. Now I have the list of activities I have to accomplish very soon. And as it is really important, I flag it and add it to my favorites. So every time I need it, I can find it really quickly. Okay, now let's go back to dashboard. I open the dashboard dedicated to my customer. I check the potential, expected and awarded opportunities for next 5 years. Pipeline forecast divided for sales phases. Table view of opportunity details. I can drill down for details or modify my reports in framework of my sales restrictions. I can have as many dashboard as I need for different analysis. Let's take a quick glance on forecast. I decide the way this data is visualized, how many columns and rows. Drill down for additional data and key figures. And select if it is visualized in a table view or chart. For other tips and tricks of working with reports, please check business analysis video. I start my work from the list of opportunities and RFQ. I can see immediately the phase of requests for quotation, such as received or quote creation. I also check my customer master data to prepare myself better to RFQ. The customer overview allow us to see all the main information. Other kind of info are available clicking on tabs such as recent orders, account team, contacts, and so on. I open the Opportunity tab and start to work on provision of electronic throttle controls 1. First of all, I set up the team. To add right people to the team, I would like to use the influencer map. The main contact and decision maker for this opportunity is Mr. Smirnov. We deep dive in top influencer map. And then we see that Mr. Smirnov can be influenced by our colleague Frank Setzer. Because previously he has a great experience of 3 deals, 2 of which were won. He is already in the team. David Flood also have had some experience with our customer. So I drag and drop him to our opportunity. Welcome on board. I also add myself as an opportunity responsible. Team is set up. It takes a lot of work to win an opportunity, but I can organize the main activities in a structured and logical way. Some steps are mandatory and other I add as I consider it useful. For example, I want to clarify open issues with a client as soon as possible. Phone call is scheduled automatically. Task and appointment were created as well. To discuss our strategy with my teammates, I use feed section. Here I see the most fresh changes done to this opportunity and the latest communication inside the team. They will get a notification on email as well. In order to collaborate with my team better, I can create a private group in the Jam directly from the opportunity. For example, I put together account manager, product expert, and pre-sales specialist. So the view on documents will be restricted. This is a welcome page of the group. Here we maintain any documents and discussions in the CRM system. In Content section group, members upload meeting minutes, and specific customer documents. Forum store any work in progress discussion. List of tasks and upcoming events keeps members up to date. As a manager, I check the meeting result, and assign corresponding task to my team. Every member of the group can comment on item or highlighted area. For example, I want my colleague to take a closer look on sales opportunities for cross-selling. I leave a comment to her, so now she is up to date with new strategy. My colleague will receive a notification about relevant comments, mentions or updates. When she logs into the system, she may check the feed to see latest interactions. And, if necessary, respond directly by leaving a comment. Otherwise, go deep into details in the Jam group. Check the content. Or use chat to ask really quickly if the manager is available for tomorrow meeting. We exchange some messages in the chat room dedicated. You've seen just a part of Jam functionalities, please, refer to us for more details. Let's say I just have received the RFQ documents from a customer, and I want to store all important documents in CRM. It is easy to synchronize with drag and drop functionality. On sales activities, me and the people assigned to this opportunity will see the email and its attachment. Moreover, you can find all synchronized activities regarding the client in the customer master data. Appointments, tasks, phone calls, and emails, all in one. But if you need to see only appointments that involve you as participant, use a calendar. That's all, folks. You've seen a very brief overview of SAP Cloud for Customer Solution. I hope you liked it. Write to me anytime you have any questions. Bye bye. Your Amy.